All right, guys, we're here. We're just now pulling up. Finally, we're here for practice day. It rained on us a little bit. It's definitely been raining here, though. Practice is supposed to start at about 4 o'clock, so we're gonna get here a little bit early. We still got a couple things left to do. Got to get the seat completely right. Got to adjust the steering column. Got to nut and bolt it. Make sure everything's good to go. Hopefully, we don't get any more rain. See some trailers down there, big trailers. ARCA guys are here with us this weekend. That's gonna be pretty cool. They run 200 laps. We run 75 on Sunday. We run last as well. So it's gonna be a pretty long night on Sunday for us. I got Babe with me as well, as always. But, alright guys, well, I'm gonna get signed in and all that good stuff, and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we're here. We're waiting on the car. It's a nice trailer. We're gonna do a little bit of a track walk. I haven't been here in a while, so it is way hotter than I thought it was going to be today. Racetrack's green. It's got no rubber on it whatsoever. None. They did a good job getting it dry though. Yeah. It's probably 90% dry right now. It's 4/10 of a mile. You see the banking. It's really banked. There is an outside groove. It works mainly on restarts. You can hang up there for a couple of laps, but you got to get down quickly. You'll get hung up top and get freight trained real quick here. It will work though. I have made it work. Other people have made it work. You just have to make the right adjustments and the right time to get down. That's where you want to be. You want your left front tire right there, all the way around the bottom. You can do that for 75 laps. Dominate. Gotta have drive off though. Drive off here is pretty important too. I got the air tight now. That's why this place is so dry right now. I'm super excited to be back here though. This is our best racetrack, I think so. We've won a lot of races here. Track champ 3 years ago here in 2018 as well. But all right guys, it's hot. I was gonna walk all the way around this racetrack, but yeah, it's hot, and that corner is the same as this corner. Kind of. Actually, I lied to you. No, it's really not. They are a little bit different, believe it or not. I promise I'm gonna get better at this, guys. It's just kind of weird because I'm walking around and talking to myself and people are staring at me and it's kind of awkward, but I promise I will get better. But we're waiting for the car to get here, so as soon as the car gets here, we're gonna unload it, get it ready, make sure everything's good to go, and I'm gonna go out. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's get this thing out. This thing is sweet. Got the MPI in there. That's good for half a tenth, I promise.
How that happens, it almost goes so shallow.
That reflective looks so good. All right, guys, we're gonna get to work, try to get it ready to go out. We'll be back here in a little bit, I promise.
This thing's gonna be bad. Yeah. This thing's gonna be wicked. Jesus Christ,
I wasn't even pushing it. It had a 90 in it right then. This thing's gonna be, oh my God. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna adjust real quick. See what we need to do. Make a couple little adjustments, and we're gonna go back out. So, I'm sure you guys will be with us. All right, guys. We're making adjustments. We ran some teams. That's pretty good. I think we're making a left front shock adjustment. We'll make a little bit of a left front shock adjustment right here. See what that's gonna do for us. A little tight, just a little bit tight, like right on landing in the center, loses the nose, but I've got all the drive off in the world, and a team right now is pretty quick. So yeah, the car's pretty good. I'm happy. Just a little tiny adjustments right now. Not gonna make anything big. I'm pretty happy. The car's fast. So we'll see what happens when we go back out. All right, go get it, Bo.
Thank you.
What are we doing, Tyler?
Changing plans.
I wonder if the stagger got stupid on us. That's my mom, by the way. But so they're changing load in the left front. We're gonna make a little shock adjustment again, see if that'll help us. I'm gonna mess around with stagger a little bit. Stagger might have got big on us. That might have been why I was loose in. But make a couple adjustments. We're gonna go back out here in a minute, and I'll take y'all for a ride. Adjustments. We're gonna make one more run. I think we're gonna make one more, maybe two, but I'm definitely gonna make one more, see what these adjustments do for us, and we're gonna go from there, guys. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, we got Storms coming. She's in the box. We're done for the day. I'm really happy. We're gonna come in Sunday morning, make some really minor adjustments, and we'll be ready for race day. So we're gonna get home and edit these videos, and we'll get it posted tomorrow, guys. See you on Sunday.